What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel The Go Lad. This is your boy Ganesh Baker, and I'm back with a new video. And guys, today I'm doing a really special giveaway, one which you guys are really gonna enjoy. And oh boy, y'all are in for a treat. So today, the shoe that we're gonna be doing a giveaway and a quick review on is the Adidas X Game of Thrones Targaryen Dragon Ultra Boost. Guys, these are fire as woo. But anyway, let's get into the shoe then. So before we get into the shoe, let me show you a look at the box. Here you go, guys. It's a pretty standard Ultra Boost box with the Adidas running logo and the Game of Thrones logo, so it's pretty cool. And let's get the shoes out of the box. Ta-da! Time to open them. You've got this really interesting paper with Adidas running and Game of Thrones on it. So now that we're done with the box, let's take a look at the shoes. So here you go, guys, your first look. Boom! These are absolutely fire, guys. Oh my god, these are amazing. These are even more amazing in hand, guys. These are just legit amazing. I cannot tell you how awesome these shoes are, but let's do that anyway. Let's get into the details then. So at the front of the shoe, you've got this really nice, almost like 1.0 kind of pattern, which in my opinion looks really nice. And this shoe is a lot more orange than the photos that you see online. I thought it would be a more tonal red, but this is proper orange, like the flames of the dragon, and that's the look they were going for, and they pretty much killed it on this pair. I mean, it's absolutely nice. You've got your perforated holes like the 1.0. Then moving up on the shoe, you've got your laces in black, and you've got the Adidas tab in this really nice tumble leather kind of feel. It has that feel to it, so it's pretty nice. It's black and red, and that's amazing. So moving on from that, you've got your leather cages, guys. Not your standard TPU cages, not your standard plastic cages, pure leather. Absolutely amazing, really soft on the touch. That means this is a premium shoe. This is a shoe you really don't want to miss out on. At the back, you've got your fire and blood tag, which makes it really Game of Thronesy, makes it really nice. And these are fire. Of course, another favorite part of the shoe for me is the black boost, because the black boost gives this crazy colorway a lot of balance, so it looks really fire on feet as well, guys. In the insole, you've got a Game of Thrones text, and these are a little snug than other Ultra Boosts, so I would recommend you all going half a size up.
You've got the Targaryen symbol under the tongue.
Wow, guys, these are just amazing. Just the prime knit pattern, just the really crazy reds and oranges, just blends in really nicely, makes this a dope shoe, and a shoe which you guys must have in your collection. These may in fact be the best sneaker of 2019 for me, but we shall see. We've got a lot of time ahead. Underneath the shoe, you've got your Continental outsole in black. And guys, it's a full boost, Ultra Boost. It is an Ultra Boost. At the end of the day, it is so comfortable on feet. You can walk for hours, you can train in them, you can pretty much do anything in them, and they are fire. And another detail that I really love is the flakes, how the red flames from here keep going up and they start flaking, like the flames are just flaking like embers. So really cool touch. So now that we're done with the review, let's have a look and see how these bad boys look on feet. So guys, to win the Ultra Boost Game of Thrones Targaryen Dragon, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, hit the bell notification button, in the comment section down below, write your shoe size. And guys, now come the most important steps of this giveaway. You gotta support me on Patreon to have the highest chance to win these, guys, if you support me on Patreon and if you follow me on Instagram. I know you guys will be serious about this giveaway, and I know you guys will be supporting this channel. So these are the steps that you have to do. You have to support me on my Patreon page, click the orange button, and follow me on Instagram, guys, and share this video on your social platforms. These last 3 steps are essential to the people who win, and the likelihood of them winning increases drastically once you complete all these steps, especially the last 3 ones, so that I know you guys are serious about winning these beauties. So that pretty much wraps up the video. These are fire, absolutely in love with them. And until I see you in the next one, this is your boy, the Goa Lad, and peace!